What is up, you guys? It's your girl Clithy and Tim back in our video. So the beginning of this video is going to be a Walmart haul and slash Dollar Tree haul, but it has been filmed weeks after the clip slash video that I'm gonna show you after I show you what I need to show you right now. So right now I'm going to show you the things I got from Walmart today, and the things I got from Dollar Tree today, and the things that I got from Walmart that's supposed to be in the clip that you're gonna see after this. So to start off, I got 4 things for my makeup, and I got this stuff at the time I got the thing you're gonna see in the next clip of this video. And you'll know when it's the next clip when it looks different. So I got a black eyeliner from CoverGirl, and I got a white eyeliner from Hard Candy. CoverGirl. Sorry, my nails are a little raggedy. And if you hear anything in the background, it's my brother's game. Hard Candy. I got a new concealer because I needed a new concealer.
Let's go! You suck, my guy!
I'm going to leave that in. Anyway. This is a new concealer. If you watched when I first started doing my makeup, I had this crusty old Dollar Tree concealer, so I got a new one. And it's the shade Hydrating Camo Concealer. Camo Concealer Satin Finish. Oh, well, the color's not on it, but And the last thing I got makeup wise is the Wet n Wild pencil sharpener. I needed this for eyeliners and stuff and pencil brushes that I use because they're getting dull and I needed a pencil sharpener to use. So yeah. Okay guys, so next is and last are these 4 nail polishes. I got these at different times, but the black and white one is supposed to be in the clip you're gonna see next, which is a haul for nails, so you guys will know, so I don't have to keep saying the next clip. So I got this color recently. This is the most recent color, and it looks like this. I actually painted my nails with it. And it is shade 620 Limestone. It's a little green color. I actually needed a green. I'm trying to get that natural sunlight, you know. And then I actually have this color on this hand because I painted my nails with it. It's by Sally Hansen. All of them are by Sally Hansen. 550 Brownstone. And the white one, I actually did a white and black nail design. I just didn't take a picture. But if you go to my TikTok, well, I don't think I have an updated one, but in one of my TikToks, I did have my nails all painted black. And I went a little after the time I had them painted all black to do a white nail design. I kind of waited because it was plain, so I did a white nail design after I had it on for a while. But I don't have a TikTok with me showing them, I don't think. So, yeah. But I got a black and white one. The white one is 110, hard to get. The black one is 880, black heart. So, yeah, now we're going to get into the things I bought today, as in April 11th, I think is today, from Walmart and Dollar Tree. So I decided to put you guys down, but I only got 2 things from Walmart. So we're going to start with Walmart. So the first thing I got is a camo concealer sponge, and it says best with our camo concealers, which is this concealer, this brand of e.l.f. concealers. So I basically got this because I needed it for smaller places on my face, like under my eyes and my eyelid. The last thing I got, well, the second thing I got, and the last thing I'm just going to talk about, I'm not going to show you guys just yet. So the second thing I got is this mess-free latex tape. If you have been subscribed to me for a long time, you know I have used this before, and it's for basically around your nails whenever you do a water marble. And I have an example of a water marble. These 2 are both water marbles. They're not that good because they've been messed up, but yeah. By the way, these both are $5. Next is the last thing I got from Walmart. So the last thing I got from Walmart, I'm not going to show you guys because I'm going to do a video after this to show you guys what it is. And I'm going to show you guys me putting it in my room because right now I'm cleaning my room and rearranging it because what I'm putting in my room, I want to have it and make it look nice in my room. So you'll get a haul on that by itself. But going on to the things I got from Dollar Tree, the first thing I got is this Sinful Colors nail enamel. These are just 2 in 1 package, so 2 nail polishes for $1. A red nail polish and a top coat. It's not, that one's not black nail polish. It's a top coat. I got some tweezers because I needed some, and they have like a holographic look or whatever. No, that's not holographic. Chrome, whatever. I got some fake eyelashes because I haven't had some in a while, and I really don't care to wear fake eyelashes. I just think they're fun to put on sometimes. Last thing I got is this. This is for your face. It's like a face shaver. It was $1, so I just got it. But look, you just go like that, and it takes the extra hairs off your face. And I want to use it to around my eyebrows. But I want to learn how to do it first because I don't want to mess with my eyebrows. But yeah, that's basically it. That's everything I wanted to show you guys. Stay tuned for the video I'm going to do after this. But here is the clip of a couple weeks ago of the things I got from Walmart. Bye. So you guys just seen me paint those 3 nails, and that's because those are the 3 nails we are going to be testing out this on and this on. So we have to speed this up because this is going to take some time. So this is a nail stamp fun kit. This is new and it was $10 at Walmart. So this it's like the box is the same as the kit that I was talking about for this one. So when you go watch that video, it's going to have the same box, just different stuff inside. So this one is different. The color theme here is pink. I mean, not pink, blue and black instead of pink and black. And it comes with a, whatever says it down here. It says kit includes 1 stamper, special black and white stamping polish, 1 scraper, and 1 stamping plate with 12 beautiful patterns. So these are my old white and black stamping polishes. This black still has a little bit in it, and the white, it has a little bit, but it's a little crusty. So these 2 polishes came with this stamping plate / kit and the stamper and the scraper that I lost. So yeah. So let's go ahead and open this up. Oh, and these are the patterns right quick before I open it. But you will see it when I open it. Alright, so I have this one sitting over here. This one's really pretty. I like the back of it. I got that because it's $3, but in reality, I really don't need it. So this is what it looks like. It has a stamping plate, and it's the party one. So this is the scraper, and this is how the scraper and the other kit I just was talking about, the other stamping plate. This is what the scraper looked like in that one too, but it was just pink. This is the instructions. I already know how to do this though. And then this is the plate. Nail stamp, nail party, 02. And then you have to remove this, as you guys seen in the clip of that one. I like this part though. It's satisfying. So clean. I remember when I first got my first stamping plate that I didn't know you had to take off the blue paper. Oh my god. Okay. There we go. Nice and clean. So I do want to test out 2 of these and 1 black, 1 white, and 1 of those. So next is the polish. We got a black one. Got a white one. And the stamper. Oh my god, I love this. It's so clear. Look at that. So clear and new. And you can see through it. Let's press it. Oh my gosh. Yay! I love it because it's clear. I wish I still had my other one. Hopefully I can find it somewhere. I mean, like at a different store, because I know I don't have it here. So we're gonna put those to the side, and we're gonna get ready to test these out. So that's why I went ahead and painted those nails, so we can be ready to try out the stamping designs. So we're gonna do 2 of these ones, but 1 black, 1 white. So I don't know which one I would do. I think I'm gonna do the white one. Not the white one. What? I want to do the stars in black. So we're gonna take the black polish, and I do have a tutorial on this, but I guess I'm gonna do it over so you guys can see, because this is a different stamping plate. Okay, black polish is new. Zoom you guys in. So yes, we're gonna need that paper towel right there because it like drags. So we're gonna put let's make sure our nail is ready. Yeah, it's ready. So we're gonna put the black polish right there. I think that's enough, but let's add a little more. That was more like a lot more. Take the scraping card, I should say. I need this to the side a little bit. And you scrape it. And like go like that on the paper towel to get off the nail polish. But you can also take it off with nail polish remover. Get your white nail ready. Have this ready. And you like take it and look through it. I don't really need to though. I'm just gonna go like that. You guys see that? And then you line it up with your nail. Press it down. And there it is. It is a little messy. That's because I didn't look at it because I'm trying to show you guys. Let's see if we can fix this side part right here. Still cute though. It's not the best work, but I just said that try to make sure you guys could see. So to clean off the stamper, you don't use a tissue or anything because it'll stick to it. Use some tape and you just go like that. Now, even though the white one didn't turn out right, we still can do we still have the black one to do. So let's do that one. Before we do that, I only have a little bit of nail polish remover left, and I forgot to mention that I meant to get a nail polish remover for this haul, but I actually didn't have no more money. So we're gonna clean this because you don't want the nail polish to sit in there too long, because then that's when it'll start messing up your stamping plate and becoming like the ones I showed you in the beginning. Mine that I had since 2018. So guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below what you guys would like to see from me. And even though you guys didn't get to see me do the other 2 stamps, I do have a tutorial on how to do this overall. I just want to teach you guys how to do it. So I do have a tutorial on how to use these. But overall, this was fun, and I'm glad that I have 2 new stamping plates to add to my collection, and new polish and a new stamper and all that good stuff. But I'm going to end off this video because it's long. This video and share this video with people that might like nails or find nails interesting, or if you want to try to practice nail design stuff on your fingers. It's really easy. You just have to practice. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe and share this video with people. So that basically concludes this video. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below what you'd like to see from me. Don't forget to subscribe. My goal is 10K by the end of this year. Hopefully you guys can get me there. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.